I've had this Bedrug Impact Bed Liner installed in the back of my truck for a little over a year now and decided it was time to really put it to the test. I just recently had rock put in the back of the truck to put in our flower beds. I'm gonna get the bed cleaned up and together we'll see how the liner has held up. Here's how she looks. You can see that it definitely needs a good cleaning. So I'm gonna grab the pressure washer and see how good we can get it. I'll let that dry for a little while and we'll see how it looks. In the meantime, might as well wash the truck. The liner is pretty much dry. I definitely could have done a much better job cleaning it out if I used soap, but the biggest thing I wanted you to see is if it had any rips or tears after having all that rock in the back. Taking a look at this mesh screen, there's no rips or tears. It's held up really nicely. Sliding my hand across the liner, it's pretty smooth everywhere. I did notice one little tiny indentation right here, but you won't even notice it unless you're looking for it. The only other thing I noticed is where the Velcro is sewed to the bottom of this, the string is coming up just a little bit, but I can trim that off. The rest of it's fine. The carpet on the sides is still in really good shape, but it just doesn't get as used as much as the bottom of this liner, so there's no problems with any of the carpet. So if you're wondering if this impact bed liner can take a beating, I think dropping a half ton of rocks in the back is about the best test I can do. So if you're wanting to put any tools or anything like that, I don't think you're gonna have any problems with this bed liner. I'm very impressed that there's no scrape marks on this liner because my wife helped me put those rocks out, and I could tell every time she would get a scoop, she didn't care about messing up this liner. If you wanna know more information about this impact bed liner, I'll leave a link in the description below on the first video I did. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and until next time, we'll see y'all.